Greetings everybody. As you know, we have already started the series of solution, and I have given you the solution of class 7th, and the book name is Grammar Book Exam Mate. I have given already the solution of first chapter, that is determiners. Second is sentences, also means first sentences, second determiners, and now the turn is of third chapter, that is transitive and intransitive verbs there, right? So if you want to watch the rest of the videos of grammar, writing section, literature, so you can just subscribe the channel, go to the playlist and you can check your desirous video there, right? And in this one, first I will teach you there what is a transitive and intransitive. But before beginning this, we have to come to know what is a transitive and intransitive. First of all, what is verb? Verb is an action, okay? And transitive and intransitive, transitive means whenever we are using, whenever we need object to complete the sense of our sentence, that will be calling the transitive. And intransitive means when we have no need of object to change to complete the sense of the sentence. So what is given here? They laughed loudly. So this is our transitive verb, transitive, right? So you have to just tell us what kind of highlighted verb is there. Past is here intransitive. I was, this is intransitive. The worker had, again intransitive. I wrote, main verb is given here, so this is transitive. He sang, once again main verb is here, so this is also transitive. I felt once again transitive. Sleep is again this one is transitive. Walked, again transitive. Held, transitive. Cut is a transitive. Gave is transitive. Means to say which are then intransitive, where you are using be form like is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, okay, became, become, appear, seem, or like. These kinds of word will show you that this is your intransitive verb. Now, identify whether the highlighted verbs are there in these sentences are transitive or intransitive there. So you have to tell what uh, kind of transitive or intransitive verb is given here. Secondly, object also you have to write, mention the object also in the example. So what is given here? Like Rajneesh broke the vase. So one is given for you, like Rajneesh broke the vase. So what is given? Broke is your transitive kind of verb, and vase, because this is the object name, so this object name will be your object there, right? Next, like children cry. So after this, no object is taken. So what is this? Where no object is required, that is your intransitive. So intransitive here, and no object will come there. Next is there, just like he painted the window white. He painted is given here. Secondly, this object is taken. So what is this? This is transitive verb. Painted is transitive verb, and the window white is their object. You look excited. You look excited. So if look, seems, or became, appear, or will, shall, was, were will come, so that will be your intransitive. And intransitive, no object is required there. Next, the cobbler mends shoes. The cobbler mends shoes. So what is mends shoes? The shoes object, and mends your transitive verb. So transitive verb as well as the shoes your objects are given here. Next, Sanya appears lonely. Appears lonely. So what is this? Intransitive verb, because appears word will come, then also that will be intransitive. And in the given space, nothing will come because no object is taken here. Next, the farmer grows vegetables in these fields. Grows vegetable. So the farmer grows vegetables in these fields. What is there? Vegetables in these fields, your object. And rest, like this verb is there, transitive verb. Next, like inaugurated is your transitive verb. The fun fair is your object there, right? Mother bought her an ice cream. Mother bought her an ice cream. So bought, what is this? Transitive verb, and her and ice cream will be there your object. And like her will be your indirect object, and like ice cream will be your direct object. So it will also be in the detail. Let's come there. Next is there, simply they are asking what is a direct object. A direct object means in which you will get the answer of a word. direct object in which you will get the answer of a question that what is done there, what is the main object, what thing is there, what is the main object. Like the president awarded medals to the brave children. What is awarded? What is awarded means here medals are awarded, so medals will come here. Next, the guest had brought flowers for the host, flowers for the host. So the guest had brought, what they had brought, what flowers brought na, so flowers will come here. We can't tell you the secret, we can't tell you the secret, so what you can't tell? Secret, so secret is your answer. We can't gift you such a thing. What you can't give? What you can't give? You what you can't give? You can't give gift. Okay, what we can't gift you such a thing. So gift is the main, gift is not given here, so no, none of the these is your answer, because main answer was gift here, name of the material. Next, Miss Miss Vani taught us English. Miss Vani taught us English. So what is she teaching? English. So English will come here. Miss, whenever you will get the answer of what the person is doing, what the thing is going, what are you getting? Whenever you are getting the answer of what, that will be your answer. Next is choose the indirect object in these sentences. Indirect object means whenever you will get the answer of a question. What question? Answer of the question that whom means whenever you are get the question that the action is done for whom, the action is done for whom, so that will be your answer. Like I wrote her a letter, means this letter is wrote to whom? Her, so her is your answer. Grandfather read a story to the child, so grandfather read that story to whom? The child, so child will be the answer. Mother is baking the cake for us, means mother is baking the cake for whom? For us, so us is the answer. And Deepika suggested me a novel, so Deepika suggested to whom, answer of whom? Me, so me will be the answer. Sheena borrowed a journal from him, so Sheena borrowed means udhar liya. Sheena borrowed a journal from him. From whom? Him, so him will be your answer. So this was all about the transitive and intransitive verb. I guess everybody will be getting this one, and thank you so much for watching this. And if you would like to watch rest of the videos of grammar, writing section or literature, you can just go to the channel and watch your desired video. Thank you so much for watching the video.